Oh man, am I ever sick of being obnoxious in the morning. First of all, can we all just appreciate the jacket? If you're not from Canada, you might be going, what's the jacket? This is a retro Value Village find, guys. I'm not some materialistic woman, okay? Listen, this is from Value Village, okay? These glasses, $5. The shirt, $2. The smile on my face when I left the house this morning, f***ing priceless. All those tailings back there that I showed you guys in the last video, they gotta get moved. Brad might be coming in, estimator Brad, to run the bulldozer. So we're gonna run the we're gonna run the shovel. We're gonna fire this motherfucker up, baby. Said so, got cash app, told him white, but no, slash. Over Taylor. So basically we started here. This pile now here is the tailings that came out from last year. I'm actually loading these out to Greg. He's going to be taking those for me. That's going to be awesome. Free up some room. What I was doing here at the back is I dug into a reserve of old black gold, and I was so happy to find that. And then at this point I realized I need Brad and the bulldozer, so that's what's coming next. I thought that I was doing a really good job at keeping the camera, showing the dozer doing some work and getting some casting. The next footage coming up is probably my favorite of the day. A little casting in the shovel. Enjoy.
All right, Brad's pushing this stuff this way. This is kind of a heavier clay material and I wanted it out of the way. I'm into some really nice stuff here and I'm casting all this stuff up and behind me. This stuff's been here for probably 20 years. Neighbor's property is behind me. We're right on the property line. And this is where we're digging. So you guys can see we're getting into some lighter stuff. As long as I stay out of this kind of heavier clay stuff, you can see here, nice and silty stuff. It's just so compact because it's been here a while. So we're gonna loosen it up and keep casting. Let's get her done, baby. Oh, almost fell.
right, so my old man showed up, slowed us down for a little bit. Can you guys see well? Hopefully. Now what we're doing is, so Brad's in the bulldozers, you guys can see, and I explained that last, so I'm not gonna explain it again, but we're into some unbelievable material here right now. 12 hours later. Hey, how's it going, everybody? Good morning. What we're gonna be doing today. Oh, it's Friday, and we're going trucking. All right, today's Friday, and what we got to do is float the 308. I think I told you guys that we're doing that when I was messing around here at the yard yesterday, but it was still loaded from the last job that we did, so I'm just gonna roughly clean off the tracks a bit more, retighten up the chains, make sure everything's good, do my circle check, and then this thing's going down into the city. So we're going for a city tour today. Man, because you guys are savages, we're almost at 10,000 Instagram followers as well. Almost 40,000 here on YouTube. So if you're not subscribed and you're watching this, what are you doing? It's free. Subscribe. I appreciate it. Let's go trucking. All right, so we are moving the 308 to a new septic. Sorry, not new septic. It's a replacement of an old system. There's actually sewage coming out of the ground now, and that's why this is an emergency considered essential sanitation. The only problem I have today with the truck is that I don't have decals on the truck. I don't have any numbers or signage, which I believe is not legal, but I put a sticker on the window. And yeah, basically I'm hoping that that is sufficient enough if I do get pulled over, but we will find out. I'll catch you guys when we're down there. We got to get going, shifting gears here. Brad's ahead of us. It's going to be a good day. Just going to send it. You want to just hand on it? Yeah. Sorry. That off then. Do you think just pull these up? Oh yeah. It'll be easy. We'll put them back in at the end. Yeah. Alright. Tanks here, shovels here, we're good to start. Let's head back home. Alright, truck is back. As you guys can see here now, that was my first time side loading. I think it went well, but I don't know. And hopefully you guys in the comments can give me some tips and stuff on that. But I feel like, I don't know, is the twisting and turning on the trailer okay for it? Like, and I don't mean the tracks, I mean like the actual trailer and stuff moving itself. I know that I could have been smoother. Super pumped that we got that all done. You guys saw, we got the tank there. I think it's a 1060. I think so it would be. Okay, how many liters is the tank that we dropped off today? And was it a 1060?
Yeah.
How many liters is it?
41. 4,141 liters.
Oh, I was way off. Where's the 1060 number come from then? Like, what does that mean?
It's just a model.
Oh, okay. Shows how much I know. Okay, thanks. Bye. We got some weather coming in right now, so I was actually going to get up on the piles and do some more casting, but it's not looking like I'm going to be able to do that today just with the weather. So we're going to go back there tomorrow because Saturday's supposed to be 11 and sunny, which is awesome. And hopefully going to use the new spray foamer, the snow foamer that I got to clean the trucks. We're going to do that. This stuff, I reviewed the best snow foam. So hopefully we can do all that stuff tomorrow. But as for today, I'm going to wrap up and get you guys a video for you guys to watch on Friday night, which is right now. Hopefully you guys are having an awesome Friday night. And if you ended up not watching this on Friday night, then you just don't know what I'm talking about. Thank you for tuning in, guys, to yet another video. I want to thank everybody for the comments on the last video. Lots of people agreed on my opinion, as well as we're thanking the frontline workers, so thank you. Hopefully you guys are staying safe, staying healthy. I love you. I love you, Jen A. We'll catch you guys on the next one. Take care. And of course, I did not forget about you guys, the true ones, the true patriots of this channel that watch the entire videos to the very end. And if you are one of those true patriots, I want you to comment down below, unload it. Why unload it? Well, it was my first time side unloading today. It was all right. Anxiety kind of got the best of me. I was getting a little worked up in the heart there, but we got it all done. So if you guys watch the entire video to the very end right now, I want you guys to comment down below, unload it down below. I appreciate you guys, and we'll catch you on the next one. Take care.